Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing good. Now we are today we are going to see the east facing flat with a 3 bedroom and how it's laid out and what are all the different features what it's going to offer. Okay, this is the main entrance of the room, and we have just near to that room we have the left in place, and these are the staircases. This is the second floor what we are seeing over here just now, and just we enter into the northeast facing room. We have just got the hall. At the left side we have the big window in place, and we have the control power control unit over here. This is how a large window is provided over here with the glass case, and this is how the hall looks like. And we have got the decent furniture which is placed with the cardboards and with the shelves. We have got a huge stand. I don't think camera is doing a good justice out of it. It's still in work in progress. Once we have the everything in all set, we will be having a much more good look for this one. This is going to be a furnished house, a furnished flat. You can also check the details with the builder. I'll provide the builder number and the details at the location of the this apartment in the description. And in the meanwhile, you can just have a look. This is how the hall looks like. What do we have? The this is what the hall view is, and we have. I'm just trying to make a good representation of the TV stand, the big TV stand over here. It is laid out, and this is the roof. On the left side of it, we have got a decently furnished partition area with the wood. Which bit hides the kitchen. Still, we do have the open kitchen over here. This is how this is simply superb and awesome. Okay, what we have is the a kind of puja room over here, the puja stand, and we have got for the ventilation a small window at the roof, and the home minister's favorite area, the kitchen. This is how the kitchen is furnished with the cardboard and the furniture. This is the open kitchen. You can have a look. We'll just go from things by thing. Here, this is how what we have the wash area, and on top of it we have the racks, and on top of it we have got the shelves, and you can still have a modular kitchen where you just try to open these windows so that you can get some good visibility at what you have in place. Okay, and right after that I got another shelf. This is how it looks like, and we have got the chimney area where you can have the sophisticated area to air out. Okay, we have one more rack over here, uh, and we have got the shelves, surrounding shelves with the furnished ones. This is how the kitchen platform is laid out, and we have got one more window. This is how it looks like. This is a view from the kitchen, how it looks like. What we have in place. From the kitchen, we have got the view of the hall and the bedrooms over there. We're just trying to enter to the balcony. We just provided the south face of the building. This is the balcony or the open area. What we can have to chill in the evenings or to have a glance of the outside from over here. This is how the balcony is provided. From the balcony, we got a small cupboards at the shelves which are laid out, which are furnished. And from over here, we have got a bathroom towards the south. The south side of the flat is facing the north. This is a decent enough, and you can say a good one. This is how the bathroom looks like. And this is the small bedroom. This is also fully furnished. You got the cupboards. The shelves have been closed with these cupboards. This is how it looks like. This is the view of the shelves which are covered by the cupboards or the furnished ones. Okay, just beside that, what we have got a bathroom, and this is a small bedroom, friends, and this is how it's laid out. From the bathroom, I get the view of the small bedroom. This is how the small bedroom looks like, and this is the roof over here, and we have got a very big window, and we still have a balcony over still here in the small bedroom as well, so that we can get a good view of the surrounding. And we have got a connecting pillar. This is how the staircase view from the flat. Uh, from here, we're just trying to see. We'll see how the master bedroom is laid out. From small bedroom, I'm trying to enter the master bedroom. This is what the master bedroom is. How it's looks like. So, yes, you can have the view of the room. We have got a decent window area, and we have got a cupboard just beside the bed. And we have got a good bathroom, and this is ventilation. And we can have the commode here. We have got a small shelf over there, and this is ventilation. It's a huge space with respect to the flat size. And from the bathroom, I get the view of the master bedroom. This is how it looks like. This is a view of the master bedroom. We have got bed over here, and we have got a small area of the shelf. Is also furnished. I'll just try to see if you can have some view inside this cupboard. Yes, we can. Yeah, here how it is. This is how we can have the view of the shelves which are laid out. We can still have this closed, and again this is very much easy. Even small kids can also do open and close. This is a small window. The west side of the flat and the northwest side of the master bedroom, and this is the view. We can have you can have a small TV or the laptop placed over here in the master bedroom. The TV stand, what we can say, which is decent enough. Okay, from one area, this is how the master bedroom looks like. This is the main area which people are interested in. Okay, coming to this is a view of the kitchen or to the hall from the master bedroom. This is how it looks like. How it looks like, sorry. And from here, yeah, this seems to be durable one. This is what we have. This is the overall look of the flat. I hope it made some sense. Please ignore the noise. If you hear any background noise, please ignore. One more time, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Please share this video. Till date, this is the best furnished apartment or the flat what I can see over here. I'll try to provide maximum information. I'll also provide the builder's contact number. You can just have a check in the description. And hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much, guys. Please do subscribe, share, like, comment. Thank you.